Tesla has produced its 4 millionth vehicle on the road. So, as most people would probably guess, the 4 millionth vehicle was a Model Y produced at the Giga Texas factory. So, the latest millions, so the last time Tesla went from a million to another million vehicles took 7 months. So, from 3 million to 4 million, they did that in about 7 months. After the first one, so they get to 0 to 1 million, it took them about 12 years, with the Roadster production starting in 2008, which is wild how quickly they've scaled that ability to build cars quickly. They've just wild. I mean, the official report, so for the four current factories, California, China, Germany, and Texas, uh, is supposed to be producing around 1.9 million units collectively per year, which is way more than they do now. But as they're getting better and better at building these vehicles, they're getting better at manufacturing them faster and just building volume, which would roughly be the just wild if they actually hit that. In effect, the production rate is expected to increase to 20 million units per year, which is their goal, which would roughly double the volume achieved by the largest automotive groups. So that's your Fords, your Volkswagens, all of them are supposed to be doubling what they do per year, which is not impossible with where they're at and their lead they have in the market right now. There's no reason Tesla can't accomplish that. So, what do you think Tesla's keys to success have been? Automating the process. I think automating, getting people out of the way has been a great way to do that. I think Giga Mexico will be the first time we see a lot of the effort they put in really come to fruition, with that being 50% the size of Giga Texas, but supposedly going to be able to produce the same amount. Everything will be in-house, in one end, out the other, which is the same at Giga Texas. The only difference being it's way larger. It's going to take much larger for that to get to the point of where Giga Mexico will be in a year's time. So with Tesla's production capacity set to increase even further, is rapid growth like this sustainable? I think with how Tesla's building vehicles, it very much will be. The ability to just, like I said, take raw materials in one end, put it out the other. If they start doing batteries at the same factory, cut down on transporting materials, transporting parts, there's no telling how quickly they could really put a car together. I believe at one point they were doing about a vehicle every 24 hours. So one car start to finish, 24 hours. And I bet they can cut that quite a bit down as these machines get better at handing off parts to each other, get better at putting cables in places so they don't need people to do those parts. Very quickly, I think they can push this, and I think it'll be sustainable. The better they get at automating this, the better the machines get at moving perfectly every time and parts getting picked up perfectly every time. We'll get there. It's just a matter of time.